Go ahead, nice deep breath in. And just let it all out. Very good. My goodness. One more time, deep breath in. And all the way out. Perfect. Wow. How'd that feel?
Oh my God.
Incredible.
That's crazy.
Awesome. And just let the head drop for me. Let it drop.
Shit. Feels like you're gonna snap my neck. God.
Just get my position here. Just let the head fall. Very good. Wow.
Oh my
How are you
goodness.
feeling?
Amazing.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
Down towards me. Just let that shoulder drop there. Right in here. Just let the head fall.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
Wow.
Those were big.
Yeah, I can definitely feel it. It feels a lot better
That's
already.
awesome. Let me flip the shoulder. Let me just find it. And drop the head down.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful. How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. Happy in, okay? Feel a nice stretch towards me. All the way out. All go.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
I can feel it like all the way down.
Awesome. Wow, that was loud too.
Yeah.
Rearrange it here just a bit. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. Oh, you're cracking already all the way out.
Shit.
Those are big ones.
That is crazy.
How'd that
Oh
feel?
my God, that's good.
Awesome. Wow. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Wow. That was a big one.
That is crazy. I
My
can't
goodness.
believe it. Oh my God.
Awesome. Oh my God. Drop it. Drop it.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
So have you turn towards me. Very good. I'm going to place my hand right in there, okay? And just let your head fall into my hand. Very good. And just go ahead and drop that shoulder there. Very good. And just relax it. Let the head fall. Very nice. How'd that feel, man?
Nice.
That was intense, huh?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard ankle and knee cracks?
We'll pull here. Just relax it. Go ahead and bend this knee up. Awesome. Awesome. Relax here. How did that feel?
Good.
And just relax. Very nice. Awesome. Just relax it.
Oh shit.
Very good.
I definitely felt that one.
How'd that feel?
It felt amazing.
Awesome. Just let the head fall towards me.
Ooh.
Same thing, just let it fall.
Ooh.
Perfect. Same thing here. Just relax that shoulder. And just let the head fall for me. Very
Wow.
nice. Awesome. How'd that feel?
So good.
Good. Bring your arm down. relax it.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Just come all the way down for me. Just let that shoulder drop. Perfect. And just let the head fall. Beautiful. Wow.
Man, there's a big one.
Awesome. Just let that head drop. Wow.
Oh man. Amen.
How did that feel?
I can breathe again.
Good.
I can see again.
Awesome. I'm gonna strap you in here. All the way. Yes, sir.
Oh.
There we go.
5'10", here we go.
How many inches did we grow?
Hopefully one. I'll take one.
Awesome.
Oh, I heard that one.
How'd that feel?
Yeah, it felt like it was ripping off.
You feel the heat coming
Yeah.
down? Awesome, awesome. All the way down to my hand. Now just relax that shoulder. There you go. Full control here. And just let the head fall.
Oh.
Very nice. And just let the head fall. Very nice.
Oh.
Very good.
Wow.
Feel?
That was intense. Felt great. Really
You
good.
get a good rip down that back?
Yeah. All the way down.
Awesome. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Feel good?
Yeah.
Awesome. All the way out. There we go. That was a big one. So go ahead, nice deep breath in and all the way out. Wow. How'd that feel? That was a big one. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect. Go ahead, nice deep breath in and all the way out. All the way out. Just relax it.
Oh my god.
Very good.
What the hell? Wow.
Just gonna get my contact. Bring the head down to the left. Let that shoulder just drop down. Just gonna grab my contact here. Just let the head drop.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
It's so loud.
Those are some great ones.
Oh.
Beautiful. Did you feel that first
Yeah.
one go before I adjusted?
Yes.
That was a big one. So all the way down into my hand. And just relax the shoulder, okay? Just relax it. And just let the head fall. Very good. How'd that feel? I think we almost got a couple curse words out of him.